Hey guys, I am super excited to show you this awesome SEO hack. You're going to love it. It's super easy and it's going to hopefully it will do really great things for your website. All right, so you're going to want to go to marketersmedia.com, create a username, get a password, and jump into this platform. So let me show you what the platform is all about. So Marketers Media is actually a press release platform. All right, so what they do is they allow you to create solid press releases, and then they distribute it to their network of media outlets. All right, and in this case we'll jump into a report and I'll show you sometimes that can be upwards of 300, 400 plus uh, people that will take on your press release in a single launch. Okay, so this is the platform. Before we jump into this, let me jump over and show you a press release that we actually did for a friend of mine. Okay, so Dr. Ogle is a doc that has created a new treatment for babies suffering from colic. Okay, so this is the press release that we did for him. New solutions for mothers seeking natural cures for colic relief. Okay, this is super easy to do. I'm not a content writer myself, so I didn't write this. I went through and helped him edit it. I write sales copy, so content, you guys are going to want to have somebody help you with that. But it lists his website here, so that puts his link on somebody else's website, which is good for ranking. All right, now let's jump over here and look what this actually did. All right, so this press release got distributed to over 300, well, not to over, to 329 different outlets, okay, with a potential reach, all right, so audience reach of over 100 million people, all right. Google Pickup got it. Look at all these places that got it. Fox, the Associated Press, the CW, NBC, CBS, ABC, all that stuff, okay. You can scroll down and look individually at what outlets got it. So the AZ Central, Alaska Dispatch News, Boston Herald. Okay, let's see if there's anything fun and exciting in here. Which ones might be fun and exciting? Let's see here. CW, there's Idaho Statesman. That's where I'm from here in Idaho. That's our local paper. Okay, and all these people are taking your press release and your actual URL and they're posting it on their website. Okay, so you see the power of this? I mean, this is awesome. So yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Let's see here. Usually the Miami Herald. Okay, so the Miami Herald, that's a pretty big outlet there. Okay, now if you go through and you search his headline, this headline right here, we can find, we can actually find in search, and we posted this maybe 3 or 4 days ago. We can find in search that it's already getting optimized. All right, so there's the picture from the press release right there, and we see KASA.com. They picked it up. A couple other folks. So this is really great. All right, let's jump back into the platform. All right, it's super simple to use. Everything here is self-explanatory. It really should be when you want to have your press release published, and basically they'll review it, and usually within 24 hours, this thing will launch. Okay, the category you want it to go in, whatever your headline, spend some good time on your headline because those keywords and then the appeal of the press release will largely be dictated by that headline. All right. The summary. So do write a small little summary about what it's about. Fill in this information. Okay. And then this is your actual press release. Again, I don't write I'm not a content writer, so make sure that you have somebody help you with that. Write something nice. You're not trying to sell your services. You're trying to explain and put content about your services. Okay. If you've got a video, you can put that on there. That's awesome. And then all your other information here, and somewhere here they allow you to put a picture. Okay, so if you want to put a picture in your press release, which we did, just hit that and upload it. It's super easy. When you're done, you gotta do all the fun acknowledgement stuff, but then submit it. Okay, and to submit a press release, it's usually, I think it's about 160 or 170 bucks. But for that small ticket price, you can get out onto all these different outlets, which is pretty cool. All right, so I did want to show you something that I think can be helpful. When writing a press release, I believe this is a pretty good template or format to follow. So you can go to indiegamegirl.com/press hyphen release hyphen template forward slash. All right. And just go through, read this, okay, and see what she does to do a solid headline. If you can, I mean, if you look at this, this is very similar to the press release that we did, okay, other than the picture. So it's got the location, the date, nice headlines, sub headline, and then all this good stuff. So I tell you what, guys, um, go give it a shot, and for us to get our first place on Google, it did take us two press releases. So the first one we got some ranking. The second one we did probably a month or two later, and all of a sudden we started grabbing spots on the first big page of Google. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully you loved it, and use press releases to get as much about you and your content out there.